So the question for this video is, what is the BITS profile of a company in Singapore? Where is it generally used? So BITS profile is a short form of business profile. It is basically a summarized information of any business in Singapore. It is not necessary that BITS profile is only relevant for companies, as you can get BITS profile in Singapore for sole proprietorship, partnership, LLPs and companies. So any business entity which is registered with ACRA, Accounting and Corporate Regulation Authority, I can get the business profile. So what's the purpose of business profile? Let's say that I'm going to sign one contract with one of the companies or some partnership in Singapore. And before signing, I want to make sure that the partnership or the company under question is in good standing, it is live, and it is having the address what it has stated, and the person with whom I am interacting is appointed as a board of directors on the board of this company. So all this information is available in the business profile. So business profile normally costs $5.50 in Singapore dollars, and it can be easily downloaded from ACRA BizFile system. It is a versatile business information document and which it looks like what I have shown over here. So let's now head over to a sample business profile and I will explain it in detail. So this is a sample provided by ACRA, Accounting and Corporate Regulatory Authority. The business profile of Lucky Company and the number of the company UN number is given here. So the first part is generally company information and company activities. So the registration number, name, any previous name, the date on which this company was incorporated, type of the company, so whether it is a limited exempt company or a private limited company limited by shares, or whether it is a public limited company, that will be displayed here. Status as to whether it is live or not, and the status date. This will be usually the date on which you download this BITS profile. Then it also summarizes the principal activities over here. Below that there is a section for showing the capital of the company. So in this case, the company has $1,000 capital divided in 1,000 shares. And a paid up capital details are also given. Company's registered office address is also mentioned here. And then the date of address, date of last annual general meeting, date of last AR, and financial year end as at the date of last AR, all are shown over here. If the company has appointed any auditor, the name of that audit firm appears here. If company has taken any loans by hypothecating their property, and if there are any charges on their properties, then those charges also appear here. After this, the section of officers of the company start. So officers of the company typically are the directors, secretaries, and if managing director, CEO is appointed, then they will be the officers. So in this case, we have only one sample officer, this Lim Ah-si, and his details appear here along with his address. Now keep it in mind, the officer's details are available as on the date on which you download this BITS profile. So it is possible that in past there was somebody else as an officer and that person is no more active in this company, so his name doesn't appear. After officers, there is a section for shareholders, and the details of shareholders along with how much shares they are holding are given here. At the end of the document, you will notice the date on which it is issued and also the authentication number. So using this authentication number on ACRA BizFile website, you can check the authenticity of this document. Now I will also show you where to buy a business profile for a specific company. For this, click on this buy information and click on business profile and search. So when the desired company is listed here, click on business profile and this will get added to your cart. Then you can go to your cart. make the payment and buy the business profile for that company. It is not necessary that you have to be resident or Singaporean to buy this information. Any person anywhere in the world can buy the business profile of a Singapore entity. You only need to be able to pay using your credit card. So the next question then is, where is this business profile used? So basically you have to understand that business profile is a versatile document, and it actually confirms to you that company exists, company is live as on the date the business profile was downloaded, and you also get an assurance that the person who is providing instructions to you or the person who is interacting with you is appointed as the director of the company. So because of this, rather than using certificate of incorporation, the use of business profile is very common because it is cheaply available at $5.50. So it can be downloaded at any time as per the convenience. So some sample cases where the business profile will be required are as follows. Suppose you are signing up a telephone line for your business, then the telephone company will ask for the biz profile. Same way for renting office space or signing a PayPal business account or even opening a business bank account or buying a domain, you will be required to provide the business profile of your company. So in summary, biz profile is a versatile business extract document. It is needed at the time of signing most of the business contracts.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.